Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix quality of the picture on WhatsApp. Go to your conversation, find the picture you want to send, and as you can see, if we just send it, the quality of the photo is not so good. How to fix it? You can just send, instead of going to gallery and camera, go to document and choose at these three things at the left top corner and go to images, find screenshots or camera, choose some image you want to send and send it. As you can see, the quality is much better if you send it that way, but if you want it to be so full, at the full, you might wanna go to gallery, choose your photo, but as you can see at the top we can see this button HD. For this photo it is not available, but if you take picture of the photo with good quality, this HD thing will appear. For example, I'm gonna take picture right now. And I'm going to go to WhatsApp. And we can set up HD quality and also normal quality. You can see it's a little bit shady, and here it's a little bit more detailed. So you can use also this method. But if you want to quality be perfect, you want to send it that way, as a document. So now you know. Thank you for your attention and see you in another video.